Top new ways to make passive income. In this video, we will see the top 5 ways to make passive income. To avoid financial stagnation, everyone who means well for his finances must have more than one stream of income. While it may not be possible to do 2 9-5 jobs daily, it is possible to earn passive income from multiple streams. A report claims that an average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income. This doesn't mean they have 7 jobs, it simply means cash flows from 7 different sources. Wondering how this is possible? This video will explore top smart ways to generate passive income, irrespective of what you do as your regular or main job. Before we proceed, it is important you know we are working on lots of opportunities that will be beneficial to you. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. And ring the bell to be the first to get a notification on the next video. Most times when someone you know needs extra cash, the advice is usually getting a part-time job. Well, have you considered what it may cost you health-wise? You can earn passive income through any of these means. 1. Earn passive income from your daily activities. One way to earn passive income without stress is by seeking ways to make extra cash in your daily activities. With this, you don't need a part-time job. All you need is to do what you would surely do every day, maybe with a little consciousness. There are numerous apps that pay you for carrying out activities like walking, shopping, and even browsing the internet. 2. Earn passive income by creating contents. If you spend at least 30 minutes a day on the internet, then it is only wise you devise a means to earn money. One such means is creating amazing and intriguing content to keep your audience glued to your page. Well, to make money through content creation you need a platform. Basically, you need to identify your audience and choose the right platform to reach out to them. For instance, if your content is videos, then YouTube is the best for video content. 3. Earn passive income through affiliate marketing. This passive way of earning is one you should duly consider. So, you can invest some money in developing a website or an active blog. Just like earning money passively through content creation, you can sign up with brands to promote goods and services on your platform. So, you earn a commission whenever a purchase is made through your website. It is quite easy to find affiliates. Simply contact vendors, brands, and organizations directly through their dedicated websites. 4. Invest in high dividend stock. The most popular way of earning more money is by putting the money you have into work. So, you can earn passive income by buying high dividend stocks. One interesting fact about buying stocks is the potential for capital appreciation. By this, you are sure to earn through capital gains and dividends. You see, just after buying a stock with a high dividend, you don't need to work each day to earn more money. 5. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is one sure way to earn passive income. There are quite a number of crowdfunding real estate platforms to invest in. Most of these companies offer returns monthly and quarterly. Real estate investment is a smart passive way to earn more income. I hope you enjoyed this video on ways to earn passive income. Share your experiences with us in the comment section. Which of these ways has been your extra source of income? And which of these ways are you implementing to earn more passive income? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.